I do this. Please, I do this.
Yo, relax. How you doing, man?
Major discovery. Here we go again. Tell me if I'm wrong. God, them say money at the root of all evil. But me never see money kill people. It's the love of money turn man to evil. So no blame the cash when blood starts spill. Money no bad, it's just how you abuse it. Some build life, some buy gold, some lose them soul. Yeah. From a little them say our life hard. Just satisfied with what you got. Some bet, some rob. Some even feel say them stuck. But it's all about a choice you make. Money won't change a fool. Only make him a rich fool. Same heart, same rule. Paper can't control. It's the greed in a man's heart.
What's up with you now?
How long we go after the feed pan this?
The link some of the boat at work. So hopefully I get a call soon. So something in the pipeline will come.
Like how you wait on that? I think say I could have linked Marlon for something and stock up on some grocery in the house.
Why you want for that? Like tell me true why you want for that. Just wait a bit now.
What do you mean by why I want to do that? And I like say we have an next choice.
I don't want to link Marlon and know me not like them something that you know that you know I always do this.
I understand what you are saying, but you know, so we don't have a next choice. And him alone we have where we can go to right now. And regardless, I'm a brother already. So, I just want to help me out in a one situation where we're in now.
You know, say, you know, I know Marlon alone can link. You know, I can go down my street to trust something. I can talk about your house.
Stop telling me foolishness, because you well know so we can't go down and miss choice. We already owe the lady.
You don't think she understand?
Understand? Remember, say her business she dey run. She can't trust out her things them. So plus we behind parent already. So one more bills they want to come put up on we.
Me want to put up on we, and you want to check Marlon more run from Marlon same way. So
But I'm a brother.
the bills you want to put on we too.
What kind of bills? I'm a brother. I can't pay him back all next year and he not say nothing. I'm a brother that. I'm a blood brother to that.
You know, phone from my love money, so. You talk about next year. Phone from my love money, so.
And I like say we have a next choice. Because you know we can't go down and miss choice. We're behind parent. And no grocery or nothing other in here. So what we are going to do? Sit down and look for you and you look for me?
I could try to figure it out. I'll just hope I'm pressing with the call as soon as possible. Alright?
Alright.
Yo, bad dog, man, tell us a youth. I want to look a client, the dog. Client to play hard, bro. You see me? I know say you in a game long time, see me, you see it?
Normal.
So more you do, bro. I go get a client to deal with for me.
So for true, man.
So you know say for anything bust off, man, a 50-50, you see it? Yeah, man, cause the client to up. And more money did if you come in, you know?
Yeah, man, before that, you know, we go already, man.
Yeah, man, come and tell us.
Leroy, you know.
I don't know that, brother.
West champion, you know that, no?
At least that, bro.
Alright. Kayate, man. And me and Chopper know her. Anyway, Monday, me go feed. Fine it.
I'm tell you, now, easy client, listen, I'm tell you.
Yeah, man.
For me know say, yeah, we bust off that the head. They
And me say Kayate, you know, man.
Yeah.
You done right there, sir.
True. Powers, you know, man, you know.
Believe me, man.
Yeah, bro, so what you know?
Believe, man.
Me reach around, you know, because I left the burner charging, you see it? I shot the number to you. AD right, they just link me back when everything active.
That is it.
Yeah, bro.
I'll say 40, man.
Man, I say already now. Pick up yourself.
Yeah, man. Just evacuate, you see me?
Brother, what happened?
Right, that's what going on now. What you do on the ends?
Well, you know, say, nothing not too go on for me from when on. That's something they want to come borrow from you.
Something you
Buy
want to borrow.
some grocery put in a house.
That means nothing now go on.
Now work and thing.
So I'm to your man.
No work. Well, him now work either. Him they'll seek for one job right now, but he don't get through it.
So tell him if you come link me and me give him a work. How now survive? You can't just operate so. Eh?
I have to tell you honest truth, me don't know that the part they go. I swear.
You know say all that time next thing to. The man going like him better than me. You know. How you think he be?
Just not bother with that the part then.
I just say
Just
me not
one.
get into it, but I tell you say a real talk. You see me? But
Alright,
you
brother, no bother with that. Just want to borrow something from you.
nah man, cut it there so me can't, me nah lend you nothing, you know. Cause me lend you have to go give back my money. So me can't give you a thing.
Alright.
See? But you need to sort out on yourself.
We soon get
And you
over
need to
for
go get a work. I tell you if you gonna link me, me give him a work. You see me?
Alright. You can't give me extra $1,000, man. How long you not see me?
I buy one frost and one special.
Alright, thanks still.
Yeah man, I'm doing no business man. You see me?
Alright, thanks.
Heal up your man for me.
Oh yeah, cook.
I know, so I piece of chicken enough in the fridge and look around for 7 minutes steam.
Oh.
How are you having a bag there?
You know say some groceries I buy.
So how you going to buy a grocery whenever the money this morning?
Don't worry yourself about that. Something coming, so just buy some little groceries. Because you know say no food items in the house or nothing.
Or just one thing I said to you, know, be just make sure you send a mall and you take nothing from me. You know. When you talk about this already, you know, because you know how him thing go. You know what kind of work him do. I mean, know my thing they mixing the dirty money, brother.
Me, but I don't like say we have a next choice. What else we are gonna do? I don't like say you the work or me the work. We can't just sit down and dey look for each other. So we need little grocery in our house so we can have things to eat. And besides, me know say I don't like my family, but I don't like say we did it when him a do what him a do. For people say we and him there in a bangarang or nothing. We not did it, so
I just don't want to catch you in a crossfire with them, you know. I'm still to your family, but I'm still not want to involve in it neither to see you here. But anything else, just do it.
you know go fall back for we. I say I go still, but I don't like say we have an next choice.
Yeah, man, my father. You know the goals. The piece of food just drop, you know. I mean, man, fully active, man. You know the code. And I got everything on my phone, so you don't know the guardian, my father. You see me? Alright, don't say 40. Yeah, I say I know me. As a year where money reach, how I go on?
Well, I know, say some money me come for.
Money for do what, you know?
You don't know the new normal already. Me need me hair do and my nails do. Me
You know
need
I
new
go, man. You
clothes
know I
and
go, man. You
something.
know I go, man. But see, I'm you don't have to worry about nothing at all, man. You see me? But just go and hold on this right now. You know, say, more today, you see me? A lot more than where you come from.
This is not enough.
You know enough?
No.
I know yourself. You know, say, you can't do nothing right now still, because I mean, I'm broski thing this right now. You have to split it up and thing. You see me, I say? So watch how we go on now. I will just drop this on pocket right now. You see me? When everything split up, so just go and hold on this here. Just put it down to me.
So what is that for me?
No man, be you see this here, just go and lock it off. You see me I say? Me and bro say go share it up, you know, so you have more forget see me.
What you mean yeah him a go share it up? No me and you fi share money.
Just do your ships, man. Just do myself you do, man.
Alright, cool.
You don't know anything go. I have some more work to put in, you see me I say? So just do what you have to do.
Anything else, Master? Come girl, pick up your phone. Pick up your phone.
Hello, sis, what?
Oh God, sis, you don't lock me there from you. I tell you, say, you look at time me there turn. And be things are going.
Hear me, understand you.
Well, I don't want to talk about you over the phone. Me want to come away, come see and talk to you. Because right now, I can't take you no more.
Alright, you can come, you can come.
I can't come.
Yes, you can come here, my sister, girl, where you mean?
Alright, thanks so much. I'm reach down there, me talk about everything you hear.
Alright.
Thanks. Girl, come give me one hug.
What you say happen now?
Girl, there's a lot to talk about. When you reach up, we can't talk, please. When you reach up.
So make it sound so bad.
Please just wait till we reach up, we talk.
Alright.
Wait, you drive, where do you drive or what?
Taxi me take me up car for drive? Come on. Oh God, I'm tired. So girl, from the day in that taxi, me just eager for you. What is it happen to you?
To be honest, I didn't really want to tell nothing in a taxi. I just stay with it till we come home. But, I been want to say this, like, when I there town, I been through a whole heap, especially with Leroy. It sounds very shameful. I mean, I really want to have no pity for me, but I have to say it. Girl, Leroy up there give me beer lick. He might kill me with lick in toxic.
Supposing they kill you?
That's why it's more no come down as a girl. Me can't take it no more.
So, you mean to tell me say me and your sister? And you they go through that so long and you not even ring my phone?
Because me no want to really talk about it to no one because it's embarrassing and it's very shameful.
So how long this a happen?
It's been going on for months now.
Months now. So me could assume some could have hear say you're dead. Listen to me. You can't just sit down on this, you know. You have to go tell Marlon about this.
Wait, what you say? Marlon? No. Sis, no. If me tell Marlon go and kill Leroy, and you know that.
Oh, so you rather him kill you than you kill him?
But sis, I can't. You know Marlon going to do some serious thing.
You know business about that in a business when he ma beat you.
Alright, sis, me get what you say. Me totally agree. But right now, I could just put Leroy in our past right now because him not really matter to me anymore. Because we done left already. You get what I say? So right now, I just come for crash with a few time being till we can find somewhere to stay.
Well, I don't have a problem with that, you know, because you're my sister and me can't make nothing to you. You understand? So you can stay here until you sort out yourself and you can get somewhere to stay. You can stay as long as you want. But you know what me really have to say, like, seriously, me and your sister, and this they go on for months and you not even say it to me.
As me say, me don't want to tell nobody. But now that me say it, me feel really relieved.
So, you rather did to sit down there and take liquor. See him say you could have dead, you know? I mean, no know.
Well, sis, that not happen. Me okay, I'm here. I'm feeling really relieved. So please, me could just put all of this behind me. Alright?
Well, alright, anything you say?
Alright, thanks so much.
You hungry? Matter of fact, I'm going to show you which party I go stay.
Okay, thanks.
Lexan.
Oh, man, bro.
Long time no see you, man.
Real. Where you do down one of them apart, man?
You know, sir, right now you're just in the door.
Yeah.
But where you are at them place, sir?
You want to know, sir, bro? We just buy the little flat and we just come take a look upon and see if we can make some assessment because more of a add on some more room and you know just rent it out and things, isn't it?
Yeah. Like things are going for you, man.
Well, if you want to call it, so you know, I do some crypto, you know, some trading and thing. And it'll work, bro. I tell you the truth.
So you say crypto make money?
Well, if you want to call it, so I do what I need to do. Because if we can buy this and want to do some fix up on it and probably see if we can grab 2 more. You see me? So what I want for you?
Boy, nothing not going for me, no, brother.
Yeah.
Life rough, brother, but you come like a god, but me see you. Can't know the mind I can bust pan a lick me.
Alright. Here me go. Take my number.
Yeah, man, but a grateful man, you know. Yeah.
295 42 42. Yeah, man, just call me. And we can organize a thing and put it on the link the real way, see me?
But I appreciate it, man, because I say I think I go on good, man.
I talk about, bro.
Flat look nice,
A
too.
life, you know, brother. A life, you see me? At Jamaica, nothing and go on since I do regular 9 to 5. You
I
understand?
can turn my life to me, can come out a rent place and thing, you know.
Mm.
Crypto.
When we're head, man, just link me, see?
Yeah, man, as I reach out, I connect you, man.
We don't do that, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
So girl, you have plan to give me one nephew or one niece or
Listen
something?
to me. Me can't think about no baby in a dem a time, eh?
Look at this, sir.
You don't see them a time, yeah? You don't see time over there, you know? Girl, be for real.
Life too short. Get your belly.
What I got a kid from you when you confront one?
Since today.
So you good though?
Yeah, man, me good.
Alright, Jill, I beg you a minute, me talk to you about something here. Just a minute.
Alright, sis me soon come here.
What more ask you? Where's your sister there?
You know, say she did go through something at town where her boyfriend a beat her, so she just can't stay for some time.
Stay which part?
What you mean by stay which part? No here so well she fi go.
Hold on. Let me get this straight. So are you alone live here?
Yeah, sorry about that, but me if you tell her yes, but me if you call me name to get your phone or something. But you know at the end that what me fi do? Put yourself in my shoes. Me already talk to her.
Your family is dirty. I'm afraid of family.
Me already talk to her, so she not gonna do nothing.
Alright then. Because I really not know how few family stay so. Especially all she when me know. Remember say she and my friend is talking. And what she do to my friend? Take the man card and on Amazon, Team U, all them places. The whole of the man savings. The man can go send him back to go to school for a week.
Alright, nobody go this so. That day night pass, but me already talk to her already, and she agree say she not gonna do nothing more time with. You understand?
But that's not what I want to talk to you about still. She can come and tag along with her.
Alright, nobody make you look so. Just make she feel comfortable for the time when she dey here. Cool?
Yeah, bro, I'm sorry, I couldn't make me go inside, but be a dusting here, so you better we just go and chill out or something, go and show you
Yeah,
rope,
man,
you see me?
that's no problem, man. That's no problem, man. Because something come up for learning, man, so it ain't really matter, you know. So
Alright.
what me really want to still? What you say ticket thing work now?
How you work? Alright, so basically, the whole crypto thing is digital currency. You understand? It moves different from how the bank money move. Bank no control it, no government no control it, no individual. Alright, so basically what you do is you buy when the market low and you hold it or you trade it when it rises. So what you are going to know, you have to learn fast. You see me?
Zine. So what you basically say is a thing where the market go up and down at times.
Your money go up and down, man, so you have to just watch it, you see me?
True, true. Not sound bad then, man. This sound like a lottery though. Or a cash plus thing.
No, bro. This is investment. You understand? You have to invest in it. So you know, so with every investment, you can win or you can lose. But the stakes for you if you win, higher. You see me? You are going to know. These are the rules. Never invest more than what you can afford to lose. And never follow hide. All you need to do is just, even though me I tell you this, you need to do your own research too. You understand?
Yeah, man. Most definitely, man. But still, you know, even though I'm really interested, I do this still, you know. Remember, I'm telling you, I don't really have the money like that, you know. That's me, so I don't know where you can, if you can help me out.
Alright, don't worry about that
Start
part, bro. Don't worry about that part. I'm gonna lend you a piece of food, you invest in it, and once the thing turn, you just give me back my own.
Yeah, man, respect, man. I'm grateful for that, man. That's it.
That's what I say. Just do your own research, and anything else, any questions or anything you want to know, just link me. Zane?
I'm tired of poverty, man.
Brother, this is how change your life, bro.
I make you look so happy.
Oh, you look so happy. I have something for you.
What that do?
Close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
Close your eyes, man.
I don't like surprises, you know that.
Close your eyes.
Alright.
Don't look, you know.
I don't look.
Open your eye now.
But where you get so much money from?
What do you mean I'm getting so much money from? You look like you're happy.
Work hard, where you get so much money from? Yeah, me happy and me accept you everything, you know, me glad feet, but where you get so much money from? And a scam is a scam.
No, so you know, I'm not doing something, man. What can I say me not talking about?
Me see you pay your phone for a when, you know. For a when me did notice and me did see you pay your phone often than usual.
I'm
I'm
sure,
just open a scam, me dey scam.
I'm sure me the phone I do. Crypto me start then, I'm show you.
Crypto, what do you mean by that?
No, I'm gonna show you, baby, man. See that? Say market go up and down, but the market go up from the week, yeah. So make a piece of money.
Me not understand what you say. Me not understand.
Alright, listen, let me explain to you. I have a friend back in high school, his name Lennox. You see him? He introduced me to it and lend me money. If I do it, but I just never do want to tell her when he just tell me because I never want to really put your hopes up, you know. So I just there somewhere to make a piece of my scared come get. Up your face, man, because you know it's a poor life up for everyone, you know.
Not like say me not happy, you know, but me just don't trust this because me not understand what you mean by crypto. I first me hear them about them and something here.
I first me
You sure no scam me there do?
listen, I the first me hear about it as well. Until Lennox give me a piece of food, invest in it, I'm say it work, because the market up the week and make a piece of money. I not gonna say we're gonna have down times on that time, but right now, I tell Jada, man, hungry time up for it.
You sure?
So, what do you mean if I'm sure? I can ask my question. Wait, you don't trust me?
Me trust say yes, but
Alright.
when me just see you coming with
Hold on.
this amount
Listen
of
me, I
money,
said to you.
me have to ask.
Jesus Christ.
Make
Listen,
sure what you do.
listen, I said to you. It's like you trust me. Let's watch the process. Let's do that for me, please.
Alright, thanks.
Wagwan, big bro.
Sis, what going?
You see me?
I believe you yourself.
You ask me which breeze blow me, so me ask if you not long to see me.
Yeah, them the most long for see you, sis, but how are you going?
You know, so me there from over a week now. I Jada me there build back with the time being.
So you just reach on my foot.
But you know, so me there go and deal with some business. So me just reach out for, but you not got to see me.
Of course, I'm glad to see my sister. But me guy is up to something, so I have to do one there, you know.
What you mean by that?
Why badness are going on now? Tell me what really happened.
You know, say, you remember for me man when name Leroy?
Mm-hmm.
Me say, I chop some money from him and just cut from town and come down here.
So we might cut there. Sis, you not move right.
What you mean me not move right?
You not move right. You can't link me. You do a chopping and I give me no.
I just little business. Me use the money and deal with.
Sis, me there so with the little special from morning I go and nurse it to box and you can't even put it up on it. No.
One next time, but as me I say, me chop you some money from him and run me from there, cause me no want to come beat me for money, you know, so me just run come down here.
Hey.
No. But listen to me now. I tell Jay, say me tell her this in the car.
No,
I
sir.
tell Jay that. Me tell Jay that say I beat him up there, beat me.
So you get a beating for two?
No, which man can beat me?
Oh, come on, my sister soft enough.
As me I say now, so chop you and come down, so until I pray now. You know, so me over here, Jada and him man, I chat. And guess what me hear them a chat about?
Boa.
But how him man a make whole heap of money after crypto.
No, sir. Cap them a cap.
What you
broke.
mean?
The boy broke. Yeah, talk about. How what day Jada come beg me money again? Me nah no money. I'm tell you, man.
Happiness, he must never there make money them time there. Listen to me now, me I tell her say, crypto, you make millions after crypto. Me know say I make money after it.
No go so. No go so.
Me no feel say me know say I make money.
No say a word. No say a word. Me will check you out. No see what really are going.
You go see where really
No
are
see what
going.
really are going.
Make sure you know, come on, want a piece of food off a man.
No worry about that, man. Me will check it out. You see me? Nothing go and make you know.
Alright, my brother. Thank you.
I no do it again, man. Next time I link your brother, you carry something with your man.
Alright.
You have no money, you carry a friend.
Watch out, brother. Two brother growing at the same yard. Same mud pan them foot, same sun pan them face. One where the land, one sweet the heart. One chase big dreams, one want a simple life. Papa say work hard, make life. One get love, the next get ignored. Silent pain start not
Oh, my brother-in-law.
I think, man.
What deal with?
Yeah, man. Until you come check.
No, I say you know some of us in a place I pass through. You know. I say I check on if no good.
There, man. I go on now, man. Is it?
Nah, man, pray, man, so.
So, what you say?
You don't say. They say dog I make a food and all.
Who make a piece of food?
Yeah?
Who make a piece of food?
Someone here, man. What am I talking about, man?
You know where you get face running from the Marlon. I tell you the truth, brother. I don't know where you get face running from.
Me in here, man, brother.
Yeah, but anybody I tell that, bro, a lie.
They say I lie.
Yeah, man. I can make a piece of food and check you, man. I am brother-in-law. Oh, God, man.
Don't worry about that, man. Everything good, man. But your style. I want to get 2 new shoes. You see me?
What you say? You want to get 2 new shoes?
Yeah, man.
So, what you want me to do?
Yeah?
What you want me to do?
I can invest in a business, man. You see me?
No, brother, no.
I say we have to roll off the engine on it.
No, brother. No, I bet you tell me to buy a car or something, but I tell me what them things, brother. No,
I
no.
move like a some soft soap, daddy. I want to tell you, man. You know the thing go already, you know, man. The place set away, you know. You see?
Yeah, what me I say, me not indulge in a bad thing, brother. That's it. Not indulge in a bad thing. No respect to you, brother, but I know say no badness, brother.
Pops feel like a style thing, you know.
So what me think of that?
Yeah, man, you style thing, man. But if you just do it right, you see me? You can link you easy and I show you your levels. I'm a brother-in-law. I have to look out for you. You see me?
Yeah, listen
Look
to
out for
me.
my sister, yeah. So, you know, lock sitting to man. How you protect your sister? Eh?
Marlon, listen to me, I say.
Sister, now, bro.
Listen to me, I say. I'm straight 30, bro. Without no respect on them. But I don't really want to involve in that thing, brother. Like, me see the bad part of it, bro, I don't want to involve in it, bro, I swear. I bet you beg me your money, and you go do what you want. I know you tell me something you want to buy them, brother. But you just come to me and say, you don't have bigger money than I can. Yes, it's fine.
Nah, man, I'm not giving no story. But I tell you straight that is it, you see me?
I don't really want,
Nah, bro, nah, come.
I don't really want to indulge in that thing. Honestly, truth, I don't want to indulge in that.
Alright, Mr. Pops. I'm your business, man, you see me? Understand full of my G.
But I say, but they are still.
I'm on big up yourself, you see me?
Alright. Jada, let me ask you one question.
So you call me so?
Listen, man. What more know? Are you tell your brother say me I do make money off of crypto?
Why me that tell my brother that?
Because me just a come from downstairs, me go downstairs a while ago go up on the road and him me meet me at the gate. And I thought he want money from me because he used to make money off of crypto and he want to buy only for tools and all them things there.
Me never said nothing to my brother. Why me that said nothing to him in the first place? That not
So how he
concern
know?
him.
So how he know that?
Me don't know.
But I wonder if your sister Tiffany tell him. Here we are talking and tell him.
Me don't know, you know. But even if that still don't concern him, me I go talk to him about it because me don't know why he will come
Listen,
here.
I don't like this. You know. I don't like my business are published. Because nobody don't know. Say me I make money off of crypto than you. This are the thing, you know. This are the thing me always tell you about. Me don't like your family.
No, but that start up back that again.
What you mean?
Every time you always bring up that you don't like my family, you don't like my family. Regardless, I'm my family already and they never do nothing yet. Me know say they might have their flaws and then dirty style them or whatever. But I don't like say they ever do nothing yet. What if you say you don't like them?
Work. So, probably some of them have come rob me, you know.
Why you always have to think the negative way?
You do understand, Jada.
Where you say you're going now, bro? Yo, what happened? You get no money off him yet?
Boy, you know, out, you know.
What you mean in a workout, Marlon?
Boy, not take it cold.
So how we all get a piece of food off him?
No, we have to get. We have to get it. Don't worry about that.
How? What, you have some friend where you got?
No, I have another plan.
What kind of plan? Tell me plan.
Kill me first, kill me.
No, you can't do that.
No, I'm making sense.
Remember say our sister man, you can't do that.
Auntie, man, you come soft.
If you kill him, how we get the food off him then? Marlon think better than that. You know have some friend or somebody you can set him up with.
Can't touch him.
Yeah, or like, you know.
No, man, we can't touch him, man. Get him money from him, then kill him.
No man, Marlon, not even that day.
Yo.
No, we not kill him and we not touch him.
So we'll get the food from him.
You know have some girl where you can, some girlfriend or something where you can set him up with. We can't kill him. How we get the money out of him?
Aye. No, man, you must have one friend. Get one of your link, man.
You can't find somebody. What make come here? You can't find, you know, have one girl or something you know you can fall in love with. Just, we have to come up with something. Please, Marlon. Please, I want the money from him.
I want brothers fame.
You want bad as fame? That can't work then.
Yeah, so how you going differently?
As I say, be slow as usual.
No money now.
Not really.
You know, so I want to work. Can't make sense.
What kind of word then?
No, nothing tough, man. I want to say I'm a sister boyfriend. You say the pan a little piece of food. So I pre-say we could you could help me set him up, you know. No, not hard, man. Simple one tree. You know, say you can master up quick and fast. Get him back on one place and take 2 pictures with him, you know.
What kind of picture we talking about?
Nothing too serious, man. You know, probably him be down in our bed and you know, probably the on his chest a little bit. We just need something to can blackmail him with. You can't jump him off, you know, man. But say you're a bartender, and you know if you do your thing, just mix up something, man. You know? Make it nice up away.
I guess that not sound too hard, but how much money we are looking for?
Money ain't no problem, man. You want 20 grand?
20 grand for something we can get convicted for.
Convicted to what?
For drugs or somebody mal.
No drugs, yeah. There are drugs me off right now with this.
You know what I mean?
No,
But
man.
yeah, do something better than 20 grand. We can't get the job done, you know.
They know that's some food we want to take off of him.
Do something better than 20 grand.
You know, say I deal with me hard though.
We can do 35.
35!
But it's risky. Like, no, be logical.
Yo, I you say nothing now go on here, you beat me what right now.
Well, that's what I mean. But I not now go.
Alright, 30.
30.
Yeah.
I'm getting information.
I'll give everything, man.
Text it to me. Alright, cool. Book by when you would want this.
As soon as possible, like right now, cause you don't want to go and spend half your money.
Alright.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
problem.
And you're saying just get a piece of food, you know? Then my trade must say Forex or some shit, man. I don't know. I know I got some Forex business. Money I make. And you know what I say now.
What I mean?
What I mean, man. Kick with a kick going for. Tell my sister man, so I'm gonna hold it.
Well, let me submit and get a job.
Alright, sound like a plan. Yeah man, congrats again, brother.
Nice one.
Yeah man, I love how you go on, you know.
Respect for you for me, man.
Simple thing that, brother.
I take love with a public thing, bro.
Bro, simple thing, man. This is what I tell someone. This is what great men are made of. You understand? So all you have to do now is just make your money yourself and reinvest it.
Yeah, cause what you know? Really and truly, you know, want to invest in some apartment and thing, bro. Is easy because, you know, if friends don't even come, then feel like it's illegal shit, really.
No, bro. Right, alright, move, you know. You see me done invest in some properties already.
Operation focus just a bit on me, help me out. How me can repay back, brother?
Good man, all you have to do, you don't have to repay me. Just help another youth, you see me? That's how you think, man.
Where's the market now?
She got in the restroom now. You just walk in between the two of us, all the reason just walk in.
Oh, sorry for that.
Oh no man,
Makes sense to come right here.
that good man. Hold on. Yo bro, I get a call, you know. Call is important, man. So yo, I have to go run. So go and enjoy yourself, see?
You want to do it, brother?
Alright.
Hi.
Hello.
No. So you're there by yourself now, you're afraid of yourself.
And then just there have a drink now.
I can see that we are Jimmy.
Anyway, so I look at Roman regular, Roman bar.
So you now ask for me a drink?
Yeah, for me careful with that, because I have woman.
Oh, okay. So with a bar in a matter.
But we can't find something to drink, man. But Martin will come with us. Get something to drink.
Alright, no problem.
So what now?
Nothing.
Where you come out? Where you want?
I'ma come out. Nothing, just want to know how my brother-in-law deal with. I'm good.
You look at me good to you.
Yeah, look like I good. But what I really come about is, I can ask you one question. You make money off of crypto, not true?
What make you want to know that?
I ask a question, just answer.
You ask what you want to know.
I know, like, alright, what if you want to get involved in a crypto too? You know, make some money, just like I.
I'm telling you the truth. I'm not rich, but I make a little change and I can take care of my family. And things so. That's it.
Your family.
My family.
Oh. So yeah, expect.
Stop worrying about it.
Oh. Anyway, I'm not worried about nothing though, but yeah, something for you to worry about. When you look upon this, tell me who that's in my video.
Where you get this from?
Now ask me where I get it from. Just know me have it.
You delete it, no?
Delete all I want. I have plenty of copies.
So where you do this for?
What me I do this for? Here I want you to do for me. Me need you to pass up some money. Cause I know you make good money, you know.
So like, I'm tired talk right now.
Well, me not have no amount in my mind, but just know say, me know say I make money, so me just need money. A good amount too. You get what me I say?
You must be feel like me don't want to get no money in that thing.
What you mean? Oh, so
No mind to tell me say AI thing that you know. Who made that AI video?
you believe say AI this? I'm a call Jada.
No man, listen. You can't change them, man. I know that. Nothing.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought. Look here. You see if me don't get my money, you see the video yeah, I'm gonna show it to Jada. You hear me loud and clear?
So, let me ask you a question. What make you want to mash up me and Jada now?
You never dare think about that where you're doing this video yeah? You never dare think about that.
So, where you want me to know? Let me know straight forward now. I want to know like the figure and everything.
I want my money. When I get my money, then you see the video yeah, it's gonna delete. Cool? I'm done with you now. We cool? Alright.
Tomorrow, I'm going to get the money. Can't get tonight, eh?
Yeah man, tomorrow. Thank you.
Bro, G. What go on? Thing active. See the idea now, man.
Bro.
See look so.
Bro. She not even know.
Foodland, man. I am also dog. You feel happy, brother?
I want to tell you, that, but right now. Right.
So talk, no, brother. How go on?
Bro, me I tell you, say, you know, say, father, I see him thing reach Samson. I see him thing reach me.
So what did you reach Samson? Come in and read my Bible, you know, brother. Let me know what go on.
Samson put in trust in Delilah, broski. And Delilah cut in here because guess what? You can't tell me the secret, but guess what? Make a mistake, you know, father. You see me? I see him thing reach Adam, you know. I see him thing reach me, you know.
Brother, you just tell me about be a Bible thing, brother. Money more I hear about. One pay money.
I tell you, say, yo, moms, I give moms money for going all off. You see me? Because you can't really keep money, broski. You see me? I say, come on, I'm going to drink it out and go smoke it out and gamble it out.
A joke thing you tell me, brother. What you mean?
Say, moms,
you give your woman, if the money where me and you talk about, it come like you're sick, brother. It come like you tell me something, brother.
No,
what
yeah,
you
say
talk
no.
about, bro?
No, you're saying for the wrong thing, but guess what? I go fix things.
So where your woman there?
I miss the in action, father.
It come like
Now when
you're
me a
sick,
call and
brother.
I can't get her.
Father God.
When we must feel like say a country she gone because she have some family a country, you know.
The woman gone with money, brother. Bad man, a business more gonna deal with, you know, dog. Me a business to deal with, you know.
You know say a business, father.
And that's why I make sure say me link you and say, yo, deal with the crime. And I know say, yo, when I deal with the crime, my right thing a go happen. I know you tell me foolishness. Bad man, brother, try everything right now to make sure your money reach back, you say, you know, dog.
I was gonna say, father, me a go fix it. You see me? Right now, watch, look me a go do. Me a go link and
bro, that's why I like do my thing by myself, dog. They think you're not right, bro.
Nah, fi move, so.
What you mean, bro? How long you your man there?
And me a talk to you, father.
How long you your
far
man
you
your
from
woman
now?
just cut with money, so you're mad. Like you all plan with the woman, brother. Like a daughter go on you.
That you say, father.
What you mean? Because you tell me say you're there with the woman how long and your woman just cut, so you're mad.
Alright, here I go. And I say me a go fix things. You see me? Because I know sister good to business, but so we can't check on her.
Quick. Fix things quick, brother.
Alright, here I go. I have a cousin in JC, you see me? I make a link, you see me? Make him run their records and things. You see? So we can know our address there and something.
Bro, I don't really want to hear nothing, you know. From me know so I get my food, me good, you know.
Alright.
You see it?
Try your thing.
Try your thing.
You can't sit alongside of me with my money there.
Real and truly, I don't want to do this enough, but I have money for get.
Me ain't want to do this neither. But me know say I make money.
I'll give you money for me to talk today, you know.
Thank you.
Some can answer question.
Mm-hmm.
We're good now.
Wait no man. Alright. Look here. I appreciate this and all, but me know say you make more than this from crypto. So me go want more money cause what me I do, me need more money. This is not enough. This can't
Hold
even do
on,
me
hold on,
hair and
hold on.
heels.
Wait. Tiffany, let me ask you a question. You said to me some give you some money. Zin,
Mm-hmm.
you know what true no figure to me? And me carry money can get 20,000 again.
Well, me I tell us me need more money. You understand now? Or you not understand?
One for me just in a money worry, sir.
Y'all get me more money or what? Remember, me have a video still, you know? So it's up to you. We cool? We cool? Thank you. I'm out of here.
Babes,
Hmm?
how you look so?
I'm good, man.
Y'all really did look for me and tell me say you good?
Alright, let me tell you what is it. Come on, I don't find come up, man. The truth is, I lose some money trading today. Like some whole heap of money. I know I go and lose money, we stress out. But it is what it is, just one of them days sell. But I have to just take the losing day.
Well, you know say I saw you go. I trading, so sometime you go lose, sometime you go gain. You understand? I just saw you go. Maybe you make one little mistake or something, so all you have to do is just try catch up back on the mistake and then you know say we can make profit next time, right?
Right, I'm not like lose. I don't like lose and no money at all because I catch fever.
But you
Catch
have to
fever same
remember
time
it's
I'm sick.
saying when they say sometimes you have to lose to win again. So this a loss where you lost. You just try see which part you go wrong. And you try again next time.
No matter just a pull from top of way, you know, brother.
So, come can't wait for top of your sweater, you know, bro. I get paid
Cool
out.
put in the sweet and feel cool, man.
Mm.
But you know, say, all of the left me, I borrowed it. I borrowed what did it? You know, say, female brother, what you left me with. What did I have a drink and thing. And honestly, bro, I wake up in our bed in the morning.
What you say to me, bro? I see you go bad.
Yo, I don't know what happened because I never drink nothing for junk or nothing, brother. I don't know what happened.
So why problem with all that?
So you know, say, no, my sister-in-law, my woman sister, show me some video now on her phone. With me and the same female in a compromised position or something. So that cause problem now.
Yeah.
You see me? Because me don't want you to go to my woman with it. So now we should try to extort me, try to blackmail me, try to extort me. I'm going to carry
Bro.
200,000, brother.
You do what?
I'm going to carry 200,000, bro.
Bro.
And not even that. She tell me that she want more money. So I don't know what for the money. That's swear to God, I don't know what to
Alright,
do.
here what you gotta do, bro. 'Cause you have to try to figure out what really are going on. Just find back a female and just find out from her what really go on tonight. Because if you are saying you don't know exactly what going on and you wake up in her bed, might have something she put in your drinks or something.
I figure more or less of that. I figure more or less of that. Because I say, bro, I'm not drinking a bag of liquor, brother.
Brother-in-law. Right there, pan.
Where are they?
Move, sir. Right there, pan, papa.
How are you say now?
They are easy, help on you better one. Hey, a star boy, you know? Star boy. Oh, when I go.
Where are you talking about?
You see, you go on with a bag of things, man. Superstar.
Where are you? Where are you?
Yeah?
Where are you?
One boy. Here, so you go out yourself, man.
I know what you're talking about.
Eh. Jada might know what me I talk about though. But we not get into that still, you know. So yeah, so I go on. Can't me get something idea.
You really have no more promise about me can't get a thing, so that's it.
Nothing not going right now, you know.
Can't get a thing, man. Man, just circle one at a time, man. That's it.
Eh. Just give me everything, man. Yeah, move so. Let me get that little man. Mm. I don't want to link sis, you know. Aight, man, I see how it. Hey, I can tell you what I go on, man. A superstar, you know.
Bro, bro, there's something alright, you know, bro. You can't make them deal with us, so, brother. And I started them that type of way.
That drain my mind, that drain me, bro, man. I tell you, that drain me.
But yeah, this thing is a process. Find out from the girl first what really go on, and then you can take it from there. So, you see me?
I see we can link up, man. You see me?
Yeah, man, do what you have to do, man. Okay? You can't work hard, earn money, bro, and I take you give it to so.
Stress me up, brother. I swear to God, man. Wait, Bubbles. You know, I'm glad to see you though. Can I beg a minute, please? I really want to know, like, what really happened last time we meet up?
Oh, that. Honestly, nothing never happened. I was paid to do a job and I did the job.
So what I said, that means to say the video where they have a girl and I try to blackmail me. But I said, nothing never happened.
Nothing happened. I mean, have you seen the video?
Yeah, them show me.
No, nothing happened. I mean, you can never mention my name but to Marlon. I mean, it won't mean anything, but would I appreciate it if you're not telling him you got the information from him.
Yo. I should even know, you know.
Call me.
Marlon blackmail me because of money.
Well, honestly, I don't know what it was for.
Alright, everything good, man. Everything good, isn't it? Jada,
Why you look like that?
I have something more to tell you. I just feel like I right time now to tell you this.
But why this sound so like a something bad? I don't know what you do what you're not supposed to do.
No. Someone listen to me say, I'm gonna wear coat upon it, you know. So you have this night when me and Lennox go out. We do a celebration because we make a good amount of money upon crypto. Well, I know when we make money, we always get here food or something, but we have a local celebration and I would never believe what your brother do. Your brother pay the bartender for drugs me.
Seriously?
You would even understand. Drugs me. And the only thing, remember, wake up back in our room. You get me? I say, wake up back in our room and your sister come to me now with video and show me with me and the same bartender in some compromised position, like we have something going on, but nothing never go on because the girl he tell me, bartender tell me, say nothing never go on. I just blackmail her brother and sister try to blackmail me.
What you say to me? So, how long this a happen? And you not say nothing to me? I may you live together?
I just there try to protect her feelings. I just don't want to do this. Like, I really want to do this no more because but my cup over full with you and your family. The whole back and forth story. You know, I don't want to do this no more.
Listen to me. Nobody rush to no rash decision. I understand how you feel and everything, and I understand say your cup overflow. But me I go talk to them.
What do you mean talk to him? You feel like talking to every situation?
Listen to me, regardless, me have to talk to them because it not only affect you, it affect me at the end of the day because of my family them. And they not have no right whatsoever to do something like that. Then completely wrong. I'm not going to sit down, knowing they do something like that, I'm going to talk to them or confront them about it.
Alright then, do what you have to do then.
I'm going to talk to them, I soon come.
Alright.
Sis, you're tough, you know.
Like, what is she saying to you?
Man, we have to reach, man. This a boy, yeah. God send him. Sister.
Now, I'm going to hush them out, because I hear everything what you say.
This is
Man, no sister me, right now, I don't know the sister me.
What want you? You want something for
How
drink?
do that blackmail, my man? I want to know.
We are talk about.
What do you mean what me a talk about?
You want something for drink?
Eh? No, this man come like a see a joke. No! You see me a laugh? How the fear blackmail, my man, brother?
Lower your voice.
How the fear do this? Now tell me about the door, because right now I'm grief, you know. Right now I'm corrupt, and see this moment, you know, I'm follow me, I go cut on the off.
Hey, relax yourself, man. Here we go on. We check him, you know. And tell himself to run a thing. And he say no one do so. I choose this.
Exactly.
Yeah. I remember say we in the streets and nothing and go on, you know. Remember say they come to me and beg me a thing, you know. I'm gonna make sure so no good, you know.
Say? And what does that say?
You have to look out for your brother. And I'm a brother-in-law, so you have to look out for me. And you have a sister.
Also true because you know have to figure out that me say not blackmail him.
You say not have to figure we. You know see we there enjoy ourselves for now.
What kind of business they
I mean what kind of business? I know what kind of business we deal with already. We tell them to invest.
Gone. Extort people, and that you want if you invest in a. Don't say nothing to me, no. All you. Me can't believe all you. After you come to me and tell me about your man run you out, your man they beat you in a girl, and me take you up in my man place, you come to extort me man, brother.
Girl, calm down yourself.
All of your family, man. Relax now, man.
Family what? Me don't want them to tell me nothing about family. You never know about, say we have family when time you not blackmail my man. Eh?
I him go have woman arm to you. You're going like you don't realize. You don't see it for yourself.
You know what? At this point, me just tell you, see at this point, only just don't deal with me after the day, yeah? After the day, yeah? Only just don't deal with me. Me and no family, me and no friend, not even enemy, nothing, not complete stranger to me. Me don't know nothing, me don't know uno. Yeah, me I tell you, only just avoid me, yeah?
Sister, right. Cool them.
Bye.
You must have blood thicker than water, you know.
Soon get where you look for, yeah?
Blood thicker than water. He's so good, man.
How does she?
Why? You're right, you did right. It don't make no sense talk to them none tall. It never make no sense say nothing at all to them. But listen what we are going to do. We're going to pack up with things and we are going to leave. We are going to go somewhere else, different community, different people, different surrounding, different everything. Because you see, if me go make because of them, me sabotage my happiness, me not up to that none at all.
I feel like this is the best decision we make.
Of course, the best decision. What you mean? I'm a family, but me have to cut them off.
Can't believe that's ever really gala.
Shut over here. I know I'm too, sister. Like you know, that's the streets.
I don't know, say so. Like, fuck.
And we have to eat our food.
Exactly.
So how old is that?
Babes.
Yeah.
How you reaching ya?
Yo. Easy yourself, yes, man. How old?
Money there.
Bad man, what you do? Relax yourself, man.
How you reaching here?
Who this?
Oh, you're not honest, my money, man.
Which money
Right
I
now.
talk about?
Let me rich money.
Me not no money for you.
I give you the piece of food for me and broski. I give you your thing, make you know
Just
something.
calm down, please. Me not have no money for you. Me not take up no money for
Yo,
you.
Delilah, don't tell me that. You're right, no one look for me, Delilah. More money right now. You say, man, trust you.
Wait. Who named Delilah? Me not understand.
Yo, me don't want to hear nothing at all right now. You
But me never take your money.
You see me give broski, you know some young
But
broski
me,
money, you know.
please,
Oh,
just
take this
calm
up.
down. Just calm down,
No,
please.
no.
Me I beg you.
Buy your
Please, me I
Delilah.
beg you. Alright, yes,
Man,
me
you
did
do
take
it.
you, but me never thief
No,
you.
I
No.
know, you know.
Please, I do this. Please, I do this.
Yo, relax. How you doing, man? Make a step, Papa. Yo, lift up, man.
Marlon, just make
Relax
me
yourself,
between
man.
me and him, now,
Change, Papa.
please.
Alright,
You understand?
so you go.
Make a step, man.
Alright.
Man,
You're good, man. Relax. That's how we deal with them, you see me? Kayate, man. Kayate. You have 44 hours to get money right now. No more chatting. Kayate. Remember that.
A bad man, and this is my phone call, dog. If you have to do... No, my youth, the phone is going your dog. Alright, dog. Don't look over, man. Don't look over, man. Come on.
this feel nice and refreshing.
You know, I'm going to say, we just never make no bad decision. Because look at we now. Live it happy and nice.
That's how if you go. You know, sometimes they say you have to let go of a certain things that are all close to you just to find happiness, you know.
And I had a thing, you know. Look what happened. We have a baby on the way. That's very nice. Where you want, boy or girl?
Well, one girl, no mini me.
That's good. That's good for this. We live in an happy life now.
And we can finally enjoy our money without no problem at all. Like anybody that cause no problem.
As a family, it was just all about this money shit, this money thing. But
No, I'm surprised. Like, they might have to wonder if me and them relate because we're just different from them, you know.
We made it through the storm. Now the waves feel warm. Far from all the noise, just us and our unborn. We made it through the pain. Now love remains. Sunset in your eyes and forever in my veins. Made it through the storm. Now the waves feel warm. Far from all the noise, just us and our unborn. We made it through the pain.
Alright, so big up on yourself again. I don't know Richard Brown film there. There again. So I'm there with one of my brethren where I've been seeing him around the place because I know him from a taller time. I know they had a music video and them time I meet him. So he's one of the persons that was affected by the storm, lose everything. And I saw him try to get himself back up and running. But you know, it's easier said than done. You know, he might one of the persons who there at the shelter, Petersfield too. And as I always try to help people when I say me think grateful and really want help. And him are the one of the persons who need help and try to get back a house up and running. Because one of the things what people need to understand, without having a house, it's hard if you can do a go outside or look at work or do nothing because you don't have a stable living, you know, no stable living, you see me? So I'm there with me, I go and show me ropes in terms of what me I do look at acting, you know, just round the thing for kind of just one do a little thing so him can have a little income to come in until him thing can start get back on foot. So you are one. Persons out there who want to help, link me up. You don't know, would I love to see if we can get him back a house. You know, we have helped so many persons in the past throughout the whole storm thing. You know, give them some form of contribution towards doing something. But we want actually see if we can get him a full house because to be honest, it's 2 months since 3 months since the hurricane. And we haven't really seen much done outside of private individuals who have been actually doing their part. You know what I mean? And 2 months, 3 months to me is a long time. for not having a house. You know what I mean? So, I don't know if you want to say something to them, Miller. Chat to them and then you are going.
Yes, definitely. I would really appreciate the help because when everything seems to be coming back to normal, that's not the case for me, you understand? Because I mean I look to tent right now, and as Richard said, it's about 3 months now. Never really calculate the time here, but it's about from that time. So one time I was on the streets up and down, people veranda, you know, all those things. One time it seems like I'm living worse than human, but you know, life it's just life. Many of us are going to the same thing, but I can only speak for myself. So I really appreciate the help and the support.
Yeah, man. So as Miller say, he's on that tent him there. And me laugh last night when somebody's me here on social media say, right now a cold front place cold, Jamaica cold. And imagine people still there Westmoreland under tent. So he's one of those persons who actually still under the tent. Before that video go out, we're gonna try to see if we can get some video footage of the actual place where him live.
Yeah.
So you can see it. So you can judge for yourself. We don't only want to tell you, you can see it. You know what I mean? So we're trying to get some help for him. Honestly, we get a little contribution the other day from somebody just recently, and we can tell persons this. Sometimes in the process of you trying to help others too, you miss out on helping even the persons that are immediately around you and even yourself. So my plan said that little contribution I get, I could just continually help my brother to build for him house because for him house still they are far away in completion because say the other day JPS come for connect the light and we couldn't even connect it because which part of the meter that we know roof off this yet. So we still have to wait until the roof off that part, and me still have to try to do what me I do on my side in terms of getting back to some normalcy and being okay just the same. So it's a long process and it's a long road. So we want to make sure so we get him some help, man. So remember, if you want to help him, link me up. When you don't know, me the easiest person in the world to find. Richard Brown Films from Instagram and richardbrownfilms@gmail.com. So you can either shop me on Instagram or you can email me and we can make the thing happen. So big up on yourself and we just have go and help as much people as we can as we go along and try to get back to some form of normalcy. Yeah, man?
Me and broski, I give you your thing, make
You
you know
just
say yo.
hang, please.
Say,
Me
I
not
trust
have
you.
no money for you. Me not take up no money for
You
you.
and Delilah don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that Delilah.
Wait, sir. I don't deal like that idiot.
Delilah is a Bible,
Yes.
a witch, a
Yes.
No, but I don't know about the Bible. When we hear that, man, so what the first day there?
The thing, man. I move so. Let me get that little man. I don't have to link sis, you know. See me? What's a general, you know? What picture I laugh? Picture.
You know, something like a Jason character this. Like Jason love the Blackmail business.
You know, I show your vibes.
You know, show your vibes.
That's the general.
So we're not really busy with our family thing, this, you know.
That's it. Why you laughing? Why you laughing me? Sure, come.
Ready?
Come. Me have something for you worry about though. When you look upon this, tell me who that in a video.
Where is it from?
Now ask me.
I same thing reach me.
Nah, I get what you say, brother. Just talk to me
Broski,
straight.
you tell us say Eve make Adam go sin, you know.
Well, you ask him and say, oh, I didn't read Psalms, I'm going to read the Bible, you know. You ask that.
Oh, yeah.
You want to read Psalms. So hold on. Well, pause and ask him, so hold on. So what do you read Samson? You don't read the Bible?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, ready? So pick up chain. And action.